Buried underneath all the amazing releases like the beautiful MacBook Neo, the Studio display, and even things like the M4 iPad Air and the iPhone 17e, Apple under the radar released a press release in February of this year that might be the most important thing that Apple has to say in 2026. Let's talk about it. So of course the article that I'm referring to has to be the one that Apple released on February 20th of 2026, which is how to properly clean your beautiful Apple Card that we have right here. I've had my Apple Card since its release back in 2019, and it's got some nicks, some scratches, some dustiness, some stuff that, again, Apple definitely would not like me carrying around the Apple Card like this. They want to make sure it's pristine and it keeps that nice white color through and through, while also keeping that kind of shine on the sides that we get from the titanium color that we get, obviously, because this thing is made out of pure titanium, and that's what a big selling point is with the Apple Card to begin with. So in this article, they break down exactly what you need to do when it comes to making sure that you get this clean and get it cleaned correctly without actually messing it up and removing that white paint or that white color away from the Apple Card. So the first thing we got to do, put some sort of glasses on, make sure you're protected so nothing kind of gets on you. So I'm going to put my even reality glasses on just to make sure that I'm protected. Got my hat on as well just in case. And Apple does recommend using isopropyl alcohol. So we have some 70% isopropyl alcohol right here to make sure it stays clean. And I bought some other cleaning utensils. So of course we have our paper-like spray that this is more so of a screen protector or a screen cleaner, but still like to have it to kind of show it off. I have the whoosh one as well. You spray this down with a microfiber cloth that we're going to be using later today. And then KeyBuds also has a great cleaning kit, mostly for earbuds and things like that, but could be used in a situation like this. So again, just it's a good thing to have a bunch of materials around you so you have some options when you are cleaning your Apple Card, because again, this is going to be rigorous. It's going to be difficult to make sure that this thing is clean and cleaned the way that Apple wanted it to be cleaned. Because again, look at those scuffs, those scratches. We just want to get rid of all that. So let's start off here by following the instructions. Again, it's going to be the link down below for you guys to check it out. But it says the titanium Apple Card is a laser etched with the cardholder's name and the Apple logo. Again, there's no numbers to worry about. So on the back, it just says Goldman Sachs, the MasterCard logo. You have my name on here. And then it says if your titanium Apple Card comes to contact with hard surfaces or materials, it is possible that the coating can get damaged and can get chipped. So how to clean this thing? Relatively simple, but again, you want to make sure that you do this correctly so you don't mess anything up and destroy your Apple Card in the process. So first, you want to gently wipe it with a microfiber cloth that's slightly damp and lint-free. Again, a microfiber cloth is going to be the way to go. I'm using the orange one by Whoosh. You can use any one. I know that Snazzy Labs has a good one. We have one right here. This nice color that does match, of course, something like your iPhone, which we have right here. So of course, the first thing you want to do is just dampen it with some regular water. You know, tap water is fine. And then you're going to grab your Apple Card and just start wiping it away. Make sure that you gently wipe it with a soft, slightly damp microfiber cloth. So as you can see, we're already getting little dust bunnies that are coming off of it, which is nice, but we're going to clean this off nice. Make sure it's clean, nice and damp. And you can already see how it's starting to clean itself up a little bit, which is beautiful to see. So once that's done, then you moisten a soft microfiber cloth. We're going to use the same one right here. As you guys can see, we're going to use this one. Take another little section, grab the isopropyl alcohol. Again, I have 70%. They don't tell you exactly which one to go with, because again, you can go with higher percentages as well. 70 is just what we have around the house, and I figured that should be good enough. So let's do a couple of little damps right here, and then you grab it, and now we're cleaning it again. Making sure that it's disinfected, making sure all the scuffs and scratches are coming off, right? Moving it around like this. So that is how you start to really clean and get into the nooks and crannies. And of course, you want the sides to shine. You want the intro, again, this little titanium, the stainless steel titanium, whatever Apple's calling it these days. You want it to shimmer, you want it to glimmer, you wanted to make sure that when you pull this card out, even though you're not really supposed to use this card physically because it's the worst way to get rewards out of it, but when you do pull it out and you show it off to people because that's the reason you want this card, you make sure that it's shining brighter than, again, something like an American Express Platinum card. That's essentially what this is. It's a status symbol more than anything because, again, the Apple Card is the Apple Card. And now it's very important. It says do not use your window or household cleaner, so don't use any Windex, don't use anything like that. Don't use any compressed air or aerosol spray, so don't try to disinfect it with a Lysol spray. Don't use any ammonia or abrasives to clean your titanium card because that's just going to mess it up even further. But you can see that it is really starting to clean itself up, which is nice to see. And then you can even smell that isopropyl alcohol nicely. And then with a little bit of magic, you can see that we still have a couple scuffs and scratches. And then You can see that we now have it all fully cleaned and ready to go. A beautiful looking new Apple Card, no scuffs and scratches, nothing on the back, and it's all thanks to the isopropyl alcohol and the instructions that we followed on Apple's website. And then another thing that they mentioned is how to safely store it, because the last thing you want to do is, now that you have it fully cleaned up, store it incorrectly. And the way that I store it is probably incorrectly, but I'm going to show you guys how I store it. So it says to store your titanium Apple Card in a wallet, pocket, or bag made of soft materials. My wallet is not soft. I have a PunCube wallet. It is made out of, I believe, aluminum, made out of metal. Holds a bunch of cards that all touch each other, which is probably not the way to go, but it says place your card in a slot in your wallet or bifold without touching another card. I'm gonna pop this open, doing this right here. I'm gonna slide it in with all the other cards that are also metal, just to make sure that I'm really testing out how clean it is. And it says don't place or store your titanium Apple Card near magnets. This one also has a MagSafe attachment, but again, I don't have the MagSafe attachment on it right now, but to each their own. And then you're good to go, and that Apple Card is nice and clean. Pull it out. You can see that it's all shimmer and nice, but that's how you clean your Apple Card. According to Apple, that's the perfect way to do it, the proper way to do it. Let's finish up this video and see how clean this Apple Card really is. So that will just about do for this video, everybody. As you saw how important it is to make sure that your Apple Card stays clean, stays presentable, stays shiny, and make sure that it still has that same kind of allure that I had when you first received your Apple Card. It's important to clean it the correct way to make sure that it's done the way Apple tells you to get it done. So big shout out to everybody that watched this video, and now you know how to perfectly clean your beautiful Apple Card. But that'll do it, everybody. If you made it to the end, leave a little dolphin, and if you haven't caught on now, this is an April Fool's joke. Don't take this seriously. We just wanted to put out a funny video for April Fools that had to do with Apple, and this article and support article is a real thing that Apple released in February 20th of 2026. So I'll leave that link down below if you guys did think this was a joke, but Apple really put this out. And if you actually made it all the way to the end of this video, leave an April Fool's joke or maybe a happy April Fool's in the comments down below so I know you made it to the end, and we'll be back to our regular scheduled programming tomorrow. But if you guys want to watch more videos like this one, check out one of these videos right here, and a big thank you for everybody that subscribed and helping us get to 1 million subscribers by the end of the year. Peace, everybody. Happy April Fools.